AI is the buzzword around in every aspect of life. Companies are spending huge amounts of money telling you you need AI to do anything in life. While some of these claims are just marketing talk and do not materialize, other use cases are valid and help you in your job. And in this video, we'll take a look at how you can leverage AI to make us better at software jobs. The first thing I will start off by saying is that if you do not know how to do something, AI is not your friend. AI might be able to do something, write some code or achieve a specific task, but if you do not know how to do the thing yourself, you will never know if the AI did it correctly. This is very dangerous as you can't proofread what the AI did, and you're not able to clearly knowing if what it did, the code it wrote, or something that you should have in your code base. So what I would personally recommend is to not use AI for something you do not know how to do yourself. I will spend the time learning how to do it and then do it manually, especially if it's code. AI is great for saving time and effort, but that time is only saved when you know that it is what it is that you are asking it to do. If you're simply asking the LLM to build you code that you know what it should look like, but you want to save time writing it, then AI is great. AI speed coupled with your knowledge and ability to review the work that the AI does is the perfect balance. The other thing I would say is that context hugely helps LLMs deliver better results. The better you manage to explain what you are seeking the AI to do, the better the result. The ability to explain what it is that you need comes from knowing that the implementation should look like, for example. Secondly, I would recommend starting to use AI. I know some people can be against it and think it is bad and not useful. Those concerns are very valid and a lot of the time it is true. However, this tool can be useful in some scenarios. With updates that they make to the LLMs, the scenarios become more and more and the results become better. I would say find out where in your day-to-day life AI works and where it does not. It does not have to improve or make everything better. It does not mean the tool is a failure. If it improves or makes one thing faster, then that is a win. Thirdly, prompt AI to explain anything you do not understand. However, I would be very careful that this is correct, as AI is known for hallucinating. So I will double check anything in official documentation to make sure the content you are learning is in fact correct. So in summary, AI can be a great tool, but figure out where it would help it be useful in your job. It won't always be great, but figure out where it is for you and how you can use it. Always know that know what AI is doing before asking it to do something. Do not follow it blindly. Remember, it is a tool, not something to replace your skill. Ultimately, the code you commit is your responsibility. You need to know it works. You need to have tested it to make sure it works. You need to take responsibility for when it goes wrong as well. You can't turn around when production is down and say, well, AI wrote the code, because that is not good enough and your colleagues will not appreciate that. Always learn, continue learning, and you use AI as a tool to make you faster and not to do work you have no idea how to do.